Hello, so what's up and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So guys, recently it has been so cold and I thought to share this cabbage soup recipe with you guys because it's so soothing and comforting on a cold day. Now before we get started, let me introduce you guys to the ingredients we'll be using. So here we have some onions, bell peppers, we have red and green bell pepper, and we're going to be adding some tomatoes, some ginger, and of course the main ingredients of the day, which is our cabbage. We also have some hopscotch bonnet. You can skip the hopscotch bonnet if you don't want it spicy, but I mean if you want it spicy, because it's the spiciness that is going to help with the cold. We also have some celery, some green onions, and some carrot, and we're going to be seasoning with some salt, chicken flavored bouillon, some black pepper, oregano. We'll be adding some crushed garlic. You can use any garlic of choice. I just prefer the crushed ones because I don't like peeling my garlic. And we are going to be adding some meat broth. I'm using beef broth, but you can use any broth that you like. Okay, it can be chicken broth, turkey broth, or beef broth. Anyone is just fine. Before we get started, don't forget to clean your vegetables. Okay, you need to clean them with some vinegar and some baking soda. Now I've cleaned the vegetables and I've also went ahead to cut them up off the camera just to save us the time of cutting all these things up. Cut them up to your desired shape and sizes. It just doesn't matter. Now to get started, in a pot we are going to drizzle in some oil and allow that to preheat, and then add in your garlic and your ginger. You want to saute for about a minute. I just like to do this, I don't know why, but it adds to the flavor of the meal actually. Then you're going to add in your chopped onions. Okay, now saute this for about a minute and 30 seconds. Just allow the onions to caramelize a little bit, and then you're going to add in the tomatoes and going to keep stir frying. Okay, now guys, you want to fry this until the tomatoes softens up. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead to add in our carrots and the bell peppers. All those ones can go in at this point. We will also add in our celery. So the measurement of the vegetables, on all these vegetables, I'm using about 1 cup of the vegetables. You can see I didn't add all the celery because it's more than 1 cup. Now add in the hopscotch bonnet and stir everything nicely well. Just guys, look at the color. Just look at how beautiful these colors are looking. I love me some vegetables and I like them with different colors. So just mix this up. If you're someone that don't like celery, you can skip it. Okay, now we're going to season with some of our oregano, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and ½ teaspoon of the chicken bouillon flavor, and also 1½ teaspoon of salt. Now you can add salt to your own taste, however you want it to be. Just add your salt to suit your own flavor and your own taste. Now we're going to add in our meat broth. You want to add the meat broth enough to cover the vegetables at this point. And I forgot to show you guys this season because I forgot I'm gonna use it. So just add 1 sachet of it and mix everything nicely well. Now we are going to top up more water, but if you want to make this base with lots of meat broth, just use meat broth all the way. But I do prefer to add more water to it because the meat broth tends to be too salty. Now that we have added in more water, the next thing we'll do is to add in our cabbage and add the cabbage. The cabbage is about 3 cups thereabout. I didn't measure my cabbage, so just add the cabbage to your own desired however you want it to be. Add the cabbage. At this point you want to taste and see if you need to adjust your seasonings, and if it's just right, you can let go, cover the pot and allow that to simmer down. Just allow it. Once it start bubbling, turn off the heat and take off your lid. Now at this point we are going to add in our green onions. We are not cooking that because we don't need it to cook too much. We're just going to add it in and allow the heat from the soup to soften it up a little bit, and this recipe is ready. You can serve and enjoy. So guys, this soup is actually not just for on a cold day. You can enjoy this. If you're someone that is into keto diet, this is a very nice soup for you to have. If you're also looking to drop some weight, you can eat this as your soup base, and it's just so delicious, and it's packed with lots of minerals and vegetables, which is one of the things I love about this soup. So guys, tell me in the comment section what you think about this soup. Are you going to give it a try? And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Today I want to give a special shout out to you guys that has always been coming back to watch my videos. I do love you guys so much, and I appreciate your support. I have few people that I'm giving a special shout out to at the end of the video. They are always on my comment section supporting me and cheering me up right from the first time that I started uploading my videos. So I love you all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, hope to see you in my next video. Bye.